Welcome to the fascinating realm of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. This art form has captivated artisans for centuries, offering endless possibilities for creating beautiful and functional pieces. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, this journey invites you to explore innovative projects that can be crafted from reclaimed and rustic materials. As you delve into this world, you'll discover not only the joy of working with your hands, but also the satisfaction that comes from transforming raw wood into stunning creations. Each project becomes a unique expression of your style and skills, allowing you to bring your vision to life. In today's world, where sustainability is increasingly important, woodworking provides a perfect opportunity to create with purpose. By utilizing reclaimed wood and rustic materials, you can produce items that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also environmentally friendly. This approach not only helps reduce waste, but also tells a story, as each piece of wood carries its own history. As you navigate through various techniques and project ideas, you'll learn how to combine artistry with eco-conscious practices. This journey is not just about building furniture or decor. It's about fostering a deeper connection with nature and promoting a sustainable lifestyle through your craft. Welcome aboard, and let's embark on this creative adventure together. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share to stay updated with our latest videos. Your support means a lot to us, and we can't wait for you to enjoy all the exciting content we have planned. Be sure to stick around until the end for some special surprises. Woodworking is not just a hobby. It can also be a rewarding business opportunity. With the growing interest in sustainability, many people are turning to reclaimed and rustic wood to create unique items. These materials not only add character to projects, but also contribute to environmental conservation by reducing waste. Embracing this approach allows artisans to create beautiful, functional pieces while promoting a sustainable lifestyle. Exploring reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood offers a rich history and a story behind each piece. Sourcing wood from old barns, pallets, or furniture can provide a distinctive charm that new wood often lacks. Working with reclaimed materials requires creativity and an understanding of the wood's past, making it a fulfilling endeavor. Artisans can transform these materials into stunning furniture, decor, or functional items, appealing to eco-conscious consumers. The allure of rustic wood. Rustic wood has a timeless appeal, characterized by its natural imperfections and textures. This type of wood can evoke a sense of warmth and authenticity in any project. By focusing on rustic aesthetics, woodworkers can create pieces that resonate with buyers seeking a connection to nature. Incorporating rustic wood into designs allows for endless possibilities, from home decor to outdoor furniture. Finishing techniques for a professional look. A crucial aspect of woodworking is the finishing process. Properly finishing a piece can elevate its overall appearance and durability. Techniques such as sanding, staining, and sealing are essential for transforming raw wood into polished products. By mastering these skills, woodworkers can enhance the visual appeal of their projects, making them more attractive to potential buyers. Combining functionality and aesthetics. When creating woodworking projects, it's important to balance functionality and aesthetics. Items that serve a purpose while also being visually appealing tend to attract more customers. Consider designing multifunctional pieces that save space and add beauty to a home. This approach not only meets consumer needs, but also showcases the artisan's skill and creativity. Identifying market trends. Understanding market trends is vital for any woodworking business. Keeping an eye on popular styles, colors, and materials can help woodworkers tailor their projects to meet consumer demand. Engaging with local markets, online platforms, and social media can provide insights into what customers are looking for. By aligning projects with current trends, artisans can increase their chances of success. Pricing your projects for profit. Setting the right price for woodworking projects is essential to ensure profitability. Consider factors such as material costs, labor, and time invested when determining prices. It's also important to research similar products in the market to find a competitive yet fair pricing strategy. Being transparent about the craftsmanship involved can justify higher prices, especially for handcrafted items. Marketing your woodworking business. Effective marketing strategies can significantly enhance visibility and sales. Utilizing social media platforms to showcase projects can attract a wider audience. High-quality images, engaging content, and storytelling about the materials used can help build a brand identity. Collaborating with local businesses or participating in craft fairs can also increase exposure and customer engagement. Building a customer base. Developing a loyal customer base is crucial for long-term success. Providing excellent customer service, responding to inquiries promptly, and creating a positive buying experience can encourage repeat purchases. Engaging with customers through newsletters or social media can keep them informed about new products and promotions, fostering a sense of community around the brand. Expanding your product line. As your woodworking skills and business grow, consider expanding your product line. Offering a variety of items can cater to diverse customer preferences and broaden your market reach. Experimenting with different types of projects, from small decor items to larger furniture pieces, can keep your offerings fresh and exciting. Embracing custom orders. Custom orders can provide a significant boost to your woodworking business. By allowing customers to request personalized items, you can create unique pieces that resonate with them. This approach not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also showcases your versatility as a craftsman. Building relationships through custom orders can lead to valuable word-of-mouth referrals. Sustainability as a selling point. Highlighting the sustainability aspect of your woodworking projects can attract eco-conscious consumers. Emphasizing the use of reclaimed and rustic wood, as well as environmentally friendly finishes, can set your products apart. Educating customers about the benefits of sustainable practices can create a deeper connection and encourage them to support your business. Quality craftsmanship. Emphasizing the significance of quality craftsmanship can set your woodworking projects apart. Consumers are increasingly looking for handmade, durable items that reflect attention to detail. By focusing on superior techniques and materials, you can create products that not only meet but exceed customer expectations. Highlighting your commitment to quality can foster trust and loyalty among buyers, encouraging them to choose your creations over mass-produced alternatives. The future of your woodworking journey. Woodworking offers endless opportunities for creativity and entrepreneurship. By focusing on reclaimed and rustic wood, mastering finishing techniques, and understanding market dynamics, you can build a successful woodworking business from home. As you continue to grow and adapt, remember that your unique creations not only reflect your skills, but also contribute to a sustainable future. Embrace the journey and let your passion for woodworking flourish. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please take a moment to give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Your support is incredibly important to us and helps us continue creating more exciting and valuable content. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to bringing you even more great videos in the future. Stay tuned for upcoming projects and insights. We're thrilled to have you in our community.